Hello friends, in this video I will tell you why I replaced these strings of LED and why I shouldn't replace them, and if I test it it's very easy to repair. So my old Samsung worked 5 years, and after 5 years the backlight was off, and from my experience I knew that if the backlight is off, the best solution is to replace these strings of LED. And I've ordered a pair of new ones and I replaced them. And after I've replaced them, now my TV works perfect. But after that I said now let's test this old one, and here I write that's the bad one and that's the good one. Now let me show you. This is my tester. I've made another video how I made this tester and you can find it in my playlist. So that's the good one. Let's start with the good one. Now as you can see, this one is working and the device shows the voltage 75 volts. Now the second one, as you can see, the second one is not working, and I forgot to tell you that these strings are put in series. In some TVs they are put in parallel, and when one is interrupted will work the other one, but in my case when one is interrupted, none of them is working. Now let's test the bad one. As you can see, it's not working. But now let's test on the PCB. That's the good one. And on this one, that's the bad one. And as you can see, the voltage is perfect. Now let's focus only on the bad one. So as you can see, if I put voltage on this point, the string is working. But if I put voltage on the connector, the string is not working. Now let's test one from the PCB and one pin. It's not working. And this one from the PCB. So now you can see that this wire is interrupted. Let me give you a close peek. So as you can see, there are some oxides on the wires, and that's a bad sign. And on the right pin, the circuit is interrupted because of the oxides. Now let's measure it. Now let's use the multimeter. The plus pin is good, and now the minus pin and the connector is interrupted. So I just have to repair that connection and I will have two good strings. So as you can see, I've remade all the soldering plates, and even if it doesn't look good, it's working perfect. Now let's test the PCB first. And it's working. Now let's test the connector. And also the connector is working. What we can take from this is that you don't have to rush to replace these strings of LED before you check the connector, because sometimes the connector can be the problem and not the LEDs. In my case, all the LEDs are in perfectly shape. If you have any questions, please put it in a comment. And if you made it so far, please give a big like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.